install electric vehicle charging points for businesses across the UK using trusted and reliable technology from the leading brands in the industry. With our commercial EV charging stations, you can generate additional revenue for your business and offset your carbon emissions. We've installed many EV charging systems for businesses over the years, and we always aim to help our clients in achieving their business energy goals by using the most cost-efficient technology. There are 4 main options open to you when selecting the specifications for your company's new EV charging stations. Standard, 3 kilowatt power with an 8 to 14 hour average charging time. Fast, 7 to 22 kilowatt power with 4 to 6 hour average charging time. Rapid, 50 kilowatt power with 30 minutes average charging time. Ultra rapid, 100 to 200 kilowatt with 10 to 20 minutes average charging time. Whatever your requirements, our team of renewable energy experts can guide you from start to finish and help your business save money, reduce emissions, and secure future energy generation for years to come.